Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on this look. You guys have been wanting me to play with more colors, so here I am doing another colorful look. Although it's very wearable, which I love, I did use the Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream palettes. I'm excited about that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the look. Before we get started, I do want to say that this video is in partnership with Saks Fifth Avenue. I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos. This is my third one. I have one more left, and I've just had so much fun. I was recently in New York City. If you guys missed the other two videos, I'll definitely link it below. But I was on their second floor, which is their beauty department, and they have so many different experiences. I did so much over there. I literally spent the whole day there, which was so much fun. So in today's video, I'm going to insert a little clip of when I got a little makeover at By Terry. I learned so many like cool tips and tricks from the makeup artist there. So I hope you guys enjoy this little clip, and then after that we'll get into this tutorial. So for this part of the experience, I went to the By Terry counter and I got a little makeover with a really talented makeup artist who showed me a really cool tip. And what he's doing here, he's basically using 3 different shades of the By Terry foundation to create highlight and contour in the most natural possible way. You can go into any of the Saks locations for a complimentary service, and you can learn so much from the professionals, or you can also book your appointment online. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is my primer, and I'm going with more of a hydrating primer today. This is the By Terry primer, but it's just a really nice brightening primer. So I'm just going to apply about that much. And then for my foundation, I'm actually going to mix a few because I really want to use the By Terry one that he used on me at the Saks store. And the way he used the foundation on me was really interesting. He was basically contouring using different shades. So I think I'm going to do that. And I'm just going to go ahead and pick up a little bit of this and start to apply this where I want things to be a little bit brighter. So just kind of under the eyes a little bit, just basically the center of the face. That is so beautiful. It's very, very natural. So next I'm going to go in with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and this one is in 6.5, so it's a lot darker. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this everywhere else. I just think this way it looks really natural, and you basically are contouring with different shades of foundation, which makes a lot of sense because then it's not like harsh and too cakey. You're just sort of focusing on where you need the coverage and then putting the right colors where they belong, if that makes any sense. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with the MAC Studio Fix in NC20, and it's a really nice yellow sort of brightening concealer. So I'm just going to apply this under my eyes. Hopefully this will wake me up a little bit. It's not that early, I guess. It's 10 o'clock, so. So because I did the highlighting with the foundation, I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes. Typically I would highlight with my concealer as well, but not today. So I'm just gonna blend this in place using my beauty blender. This one's dry. Typically I would, dampen it, but I'm a little lazy today. But also, if you want full coverage, you shouldn't wet your beauty blender, just use it dry. There you go. Nice and bright. I so need a tan. I feel super pale lately. Next, I'm going to set everything in place, of course. I'm going to use the KKW Beauty in number 1 because this brightens and sort of sets everything for me. So I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. This is her brightening powder, so it's not necessarily like a setting powder, but I find that it works just as well for setting. See how it just brightened everything? Love this. I'm going to go ahead and contour today using Hoola, going back to the good old days of using Hoola bronzer. I used to use this all the time. I'm just going to use an angled brush, and I'm just going to carve out my cheekbone just like that. I'm not going to do too much contouring, just lightly, just to give myself a little bit of color. Do you guys see these? Okay, let me tell you the story of how they appeared on my face. So I ordered this beard oil. Don't ask. Because I saw that whole wet hair trend I've been dying to do, and I was like, I don't know how to achieve that because I have so much hair, and I feel like when my hair dries, it's just super frizzy. So I saw a YouTube video and someone was using that, a beard oil, on her hair to create like a wet look, and I've been trying for 2 days straight, and this morning I woke up with little fringe on my face, and I think it's from that because I think when you sleep on it, the oils kind of just end up on your face. So that's been going on. I have that oil all over basically. It looks like my hair is dirty basically, but it's not. It's the hair oil or the beard oil. Yeah, I mean, it looks nice, but I feel like I broke out from it, so I probably shouldn't use it anymore. Okay, so, ooh. So then for my blush, I'm gonna go in with this IT Cosmetics. What is this? Bye Bye Pores blush. I mean, yes, I've got larger pores. We all know it. And I'm just gonna pop this on the apples of the cheeks. Okay, so really, really love this color. It's like a really nice baby pink. Looks so pretty. I'm gonna fill in my brows because brows need a little love. So I'm gonna go in and fill them in. Not too much where I have sparse areas. So L'Oreal did a collaboration with Isabel Marant, and they have this brow gel. I think I took it home, so I'm a little bummed that I don't have it with me. But I need to order like a million of those because it was such an amazing eyebrow gel. So right now I'm just gonna use my good old Makeup Forever one. This is good, but it's very soft. So it looks really natural, but the L'Oreal one just looks insanely, like it just stays put all day. When you push the hair up, it just stays like that. It looks really cool. And lately I've been wanting my brows to look more like bushy like that. Oh my gosh, what a difference. I mean, really? Why couldn't we just be born like this? Wake up like this? I mean, some people can, I guess. I don't know what happened. All the hair went to my head, and then when it came to my brows, there wasn't enough left, I guess. Okay, so for my highlighter, I'm gonna change things up. I'm gonna go in with this MAC highlighter. This one is called Oh Darling. It's for the holidays. And I'm just gonna pop this on the high points of my cheeks. I like my highlight a little more intense, so I'm just gonna pack it on. Pack it on. I mean, it's a really subtle highlight. In person, it looks really pretty though. It looks very yellow, and when the light hits, you can see it, but it's not like the most intense highlight, if that's what you're looking for, you know? Oh my God, I hate it when my eyelids just crease like this. So not cute. I wonder if KB would go get me coffee. This morning, I realized I didn't have any coffee. I had decafs left, so I feel like I really need some coffee. I really like the way my base looks. I need to do this technique all the time because it looks so natural, right? What do we think? Okay, so for I've been waiting a long time for this moment. So for my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Berries and Cream palette by Dominique Cosmetics. I was gonna say by Dominique. By Dominique Cosmetics, and this palette is huge. Look, it covers my whole head, actually. Look at it. It's huge. So it's very, very generous. You get a lot. I'm feeling like a very berry, purpley look today. And I think mainly because when I did the green look, the drugstore green and yellow look, you guys loved it. And a lot of you requested like more of a berries, purpley toned look. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna go in with is this guy over here. And this is Soft and Sweet. Still haven't gotten glosses, BT dubs. I really need to go, but I still haven't gone. So I'm just applying this on the crease using a fluffy brush. This is a Smith brush, Smith 232 brush. And this color is so pretty. Wow, it's very nice. It's like a taupey pink, or yeah, I would say that. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this purpley shade. I'm just gonna build this shade on top of that color. And by the way, this shade is called Bittersweet. And I'm extending it out a bit. I've been doing this lately. It really, really elongates the eye. I would say just don't be afraid, just bring it out all the way. I feel like I picked up this trick from Karen. I love Sarai. She always like extends it, and it always looks so bomb. That is such a pretty color. And I love that it's matte. She did a really good job with the selection of like the mattes and the shimmers. It's really pretty. I'm gonna go in with Cranberry. I'm gonna apply Cranberry all over my eyelids. And this is a shimmery shade. And then I'm gonna go back to my brush and sort of blend the colors together a little bit. I'm gonna pick up a pencil brush, and then I'm gonna mix these two shades together. Those are Cherry Juice and Bittersweet. And I'm just gonna pop this on the bottom lash line. I do like my bottom lash line to be a little bit darker, so that's why I mixed Cherry Juice, just to give it that deeper shade. Taking this all the way. Especially when you have a ponytail, it really does pull the eye. I love this. I'm gonna brighten up the inner corners with Sugar Cookie. I'm gonna just apply this on the inner corners. And then I'm gonna go back and blend it a little bit. Just like that, very, very slightly. So for my liner, I'm actually going to intensify it with a black. So I'm going to go in with the Persona Cosmetics eyeliner in black. I just feel like this look will really stand out with a black liner. It just makes it smokier. I'm also going to apply this just on the outer corners. And then with an angled brush, I'm just going to pull it a bit. These dry down so fast. Normally I would put this on my bottom lash line, but I think I'm gonna leave it alone because I like how like sweet it looks, but it's still very like smoky and sultry, you know? Mixing it up is nice. Oh, I like that a lot. For my mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs. I haven't used this on camera for a while, so let's do this. This is one of my favorite mascaras. That's why I got a little excited. I am gonna apply some falsies, so I'm not gonna worry too much about building the mascara. I always like to give you guys the option though, just to see what it looks like without the falsies. Because realistically, like, you don't wear falsies all the time, you know, so it's nice to see it. So that's what it looks like with just mascara. Okay, now I'm gonna pop on some falsies. I'm gonna go in with the Ardell number 603. These guys right here. I do like the lashes. I feel like it just adds a little bit more depth. I'm gonna put on some more mascara a little bit later, but I'm gonna pop the other ones on and I'll be right back. So for my lips, I think I wanna just do a simple gloss because I don't want the focus to be anywhere other than the eyes. I think the eyes look so pretty. So I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors lip gloss in Photo Op. It's the miniature one. By the way, I've been obsessed with those tutorials that they use like mini makeup, small makeup, you know what I mean? I don't know what the title is, but I'll like put it somewhere here. Chris and Dominique just did one, Sylvia just did one, and I'm like, I kind of want to do one. So would you guys want to see that? So it's basically using like sample size makeup for a full tutorial, so everything is like really small. And I have this foundation here that's like so tiny. Look at this. I'm like, I think I have everything I need. So if you guys want to see it, let me know. Anyway, that was a long intro to this lip gloss. I'm just gonna go in and pop this. My lips are so dry. So this is the finished look. I've been doing shortcuts from almost every video that I upload on YouTube. I do like a little shortcut for Instagram. So make sure you guys are following because I do, tutorials like once a week there. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what other colors I should play with next. We did the green, we did now the berries. So what's next? Should we do blue? I don't love blue, but you know, if you like it, just let me know. I love you guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys. I need a mirror. I'm struggling here. So good. For my mascara, wow, I can't say mascara today. That's interesting. Downtown life, YouTube's been, what am I even saying? Color, I can't talk.